And welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ROG STRIX X470-F Gaming. For me this is very exciting because it is totally different to anything else that you see out there right now. Because it is based on cyberpunk, which is one of my favorite themes, to be honest with you. Another little thing that I'll show you in a minute, it's got some sort of little tag on the heatsink, and I love that. It's a little aesthetic, it's totally different, and I mean, for me it's a hell of a choice that I would go for. You know, considering it's also a Ryzen 2000 ready as well. So I'm super excited for it. Let's take a look. So here it is, the ROG STRIX X470-F Gaming. What I mentioned earlier on that I'm very excited about is it is based on cyberpunk. You can just see with the aesthetics on the hardware itself, the heatsink is absolutely beautiful. If we take a look inside, we've got the board. We'll come to that in a minute. Let's take a look at what other extras ASUS give us. So on the right hand side, we have a couple of cables, our SATA cables as well, and some RGB cables. We've got a two-way high bandwidth SLI bridge. This is very nice, given that it is the standard one that you get with the motherboard. What else do we get? Some more SATA cables, and of course your M.2 mounts. Now these come with every motherboard that can support M.2. So on the left hand side, it's even got sponging here for your I/O. On the left hand side, got some cable ties for some cable management. Got the book. Inside the book, some more cable mod promotion. So in South Africa, I recommend Beyond Customs. They're the cable sleeving pros in the country. But of course, if you are in any other country, Cable Mod is probably your go-to. You get the disc. And guys, every time someone says throw the disc away, don't listen to that, because there's so many utilities on these discs. They are very helpful because ASUS put a lot of effort into R&D for the software and also just development overall. So essentially you're paying for the software that's on here. Don't throw this away, it's very useful. And of course, the book itself that you get with this board and of course any other boards. Lift this tray out. This is cool. You hang this on your door. You may enter, game on, you shall not pass. This is really cool. So this is to hang over the door handle, goes through there, and then this would hang on the door to let people know that you're gaming, that people can enter. Some stickers. See, ASUS are doing a lot of stickers lately. These are very nice because, again, keeping with that cyberpunk theme, it's got a very nice color range, and your these go over the cables. These are labels for them, and then these go over your fans. This goes perhaps on your chassis even, and then your battery stickers. You can even put stickers on the battery. That's really cool. So this is really nice, very thoughtful. And of course, something that's very nice about ROG is you get a thank you note, but it's the way that you get it. This is very thick. I would say almost cardboard. Oh wow, look at that, almost cardboard. Again, cyberpunk, so there's all of this different languages of writing, and you'll see on the board now what I mean by it. It looks very cool. And here we are. Just look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Just the way that it's built. The heat sinks, the I/O shield over here. Here's the little tag I mentioned earlier on. Look at that. It's literally onto the heatsink there. And the different colors there. There's the cyberpunk. Very nice. You can see even on the PCB itself, the font there. This is absolutely beautiful. If we turn it around even, you can see there. Game on ROG STRIX for the gamers. Beautiful. Really well done. Job well done, ASUS, really. Okay, this is that time of the video where we do some sexy B-roll.